In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram Reels using GIFs and memes. Instagram Reels are a fantastic way to share fun, engaging, and creative content with your followers, and incorporating GIFs and memes can make your Reels even more lively and entertaining. So let's jump in and walk through this step-by-step process. To start, open up your favorite design platform. We're using Canva today because it's user-friendly and packed with lots of creative tools. Once you're in Canva, you'll want to begin by clicking on Create. This is your entry point for starting any new project. Now, to keep things organized and streamlined, in the search bar type in Instagram. This will quickly filter all available templates to those specifically designed for Instagram, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need. When you see the option for Instagram Reel, go ahead and click on it. This template provides the perfect dimensions for creating engaging reels that fit beautifully on Instagram. Next up, let's bring some humor into it. In the same search bar, type the word meme. You'll instantly see a range of meme templates and options that you can choose from. Browse through them and pick the one that best matches the vibe or message you want to convey in your reel. When you found that perfect meme, simply select it, and using Canva's intuitive drag and drop feature, move it into your working document. Here's where the fun really begins. Once your meme is in place, you have the creative freedom to edit and personalize it. Most templates will have editable text boxes, and this is a great opportunity for you to add your own twist or humorous caption, ensuring it fits exactly with what you're trying to communicate. This customization is what will make your reel stand out and be more personal to your unique style and message. Remember, this process is all about creativity and making your content resonate with your audience. Feel free to play around with different fonts, colors, and styles until you're happy with the final look. Once you've got everything just how you like it, you can preview your design, make any final adjustments, and then download it when you're ready. That's it for today. You've just learned how to create a captivating Instagram reel using memes and GIFs all within Canva. With these skills in your toolkit, you can now make your reels more engaging and fun, and push your creativity to its limits. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your audience and see how they engage with your fantastic new creation. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating.